Good morning, scientists. It is Thursday, Wednesday. It is AMI day 4, and you have to go forward to work. But we have an experiment to do today. All right. So what we have here is a can. We have some water. I have some water with ice cubes in it, as well, and some tongs. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour just a little bit of water into this empty soda can. Alright, and then I'm going to turn the burner on. Alright, so let's think about what we're doing here. Now this has everything to do with how the different density in the atmosphere and how the air is more dense at sea level and higher up is less dense. And a lot of that has to do with just gravity. But we have more air molecules lower in the atmosphere and less air molecules higher. And what does this have to do with the water cycle? Specifically thinking about condensation. So what we have here in this can is, you can see it turning red here, is that thermal energy is being transferred into the can. It's a conductor, and it's heating up that water, right? So think about what we learned about earlier in the year is when things heat up, they absorb thermal energy, right, and they move, right, and they move more, and they shake more. And so inside here, this water is adding energy, and it's pushing around a lot more, And the air that was in this can, right, is also heating up a little bit as well. But that water is going to hold a lot more heat. Now I can see right now that there is some steam coming up. All right. However, I'm not sure if that is from the water or not. Now, as this water heats up and takes up more space, all right, it's going to rise because it's less dense, and it's going to actually push a lot of stuff out of this container. All right. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to simply take this can and I'm going to turn it upside down very quickly into here. All right. So, you good? Mm-hmm. All right. So, see all the steam pouring out of there? Oh, it's not going like this. All right. We're going to try this one more time. And as we're waiting for that to heat up, you can see what happened to this can. All right, when it was pushed, as soon as it hit the water and was pushed in. All right, so we're gonna try this one more time. In fact, I think we're gonna try this 2 more times. So, how and why did this happen, and what does this have to do with the water cycle? All right, that's kind of what we're after here. I'm going to grab a couple more ice cubes. So, what is this water doing right now? I don't think about it as boiling. I'm thinking about it as, once you think about that water molecules are shaking more, and then they're starting to take up more space. And they're taking more, and they're going to take up more space. And so much that they're pushing everything out of the can. They're pushing everything out of the can. And as this steam rises out of here, right, it's pushing all the air around it out of it as well. This one's really roll, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to get over this
I'm trying to think of the best way. I might do it this way. See that one pushed even more?
it's just not me.
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna tell me what's gonna happen?
Yep.